Here I'm talking about naming molecules. You have a word bank here. And the key is to recognize there are things repeated. Dimethyl, methyl, alcohol, alcohol, dichloro. So with these clues, you can name the molecules. You don't need to look anything up. So let's do the easiest ones first. Bromine is easy. This is bromine. Calcium oxide, that's easy also. This is calcium oxide. You knew that a long time ago. All right, now let's look at the ones that actually need clues. Di means something is repeated. So dimethyl must have a repeated structure. Also, dichloro must have a repeated structure. Let's find them. All right. Dichloro is pretty easy because here they are. 1 chlorine, 2 chlorines. Dichloro. The rest of the name won't make sense to you yet. But dichloro tells you this is 2 chlorines. Methane turns out to be something that has 1 carbon. Let's look for another repeated structure. You should see there's nothing repeated here in number 3. Nothing really repeated in number 6. Nothing repeated in 7b. But yes, in 7a, something's repeated. There it is. Look, there's a CH3 on the right. There's a CH3 on the left. It's symmetric. It's repeated. This is dimethyl ether. That alone tells you what's a methyl. This is a methyl. This CH3 here. So that then makes it pretty easy to see. Here's another one. Here's a CH3 right there. So that must be methyl. What name begins with methyl? Okay, we use dichloromethane. We use bromine. We use dimethyl ether. Look at this one. Methyl alcohol. That's got a methyl in it. So this one is methyl alcohol. What's an alcohol then? Well, it must be this, right? It must be this. So methyl is the CH3. Dimethyl is 2 of those CH3s. This must be the alcohol part. That leads you to this one. That must be the alcohol part. And there's only one name left in the word bank that says alcohol, and it says ethyl. Ethyl alcohol. So this group here must be ethyl. This is how molecules are named. It's logical. The names are strange, agreed. But once you say, what's a methyl is always the same thing. It's CH3. The only one left to name is this one. This is ammonia. Ammonia you saw before in the silverfish lab. It has a nice smell to it, and it made the copper ions turn blue. Okay, there we go. That's how you name things. It's a